These are instructions on how to remove the license plate light cover on the 2008 to 2015 CX-9s. When you look at the license plate cover itself, you'll see these two tabs here. You'll want to get a flathead screwdriver similar to that. And essentially what you need to do is, so this is the left side of the vehicle, the left license plate light. You can pry on either side of these tabs. If you're using this tab, the most lateral tab, you want to stick the screwdriver in here and essentially pry this way. So you're going this way. And what that does is it releases the tab off of these small little hooks. So if you're going to be prying on this side, you want to bend it this way, and that would pry the hook off. There are some instructions that says you need to push to the center. Some say you have to push to the left or the right or away from the car. It really depends on which side you're prying on. So if you're prying on this side, you want to bend this way and pop it off. If you're doing this side, you want to bend that way to pop it off. So I'm just going to show it on this left side. Take your screwdriver. I'm going to bend it towards the center. Let's do this side actually. Sorry, so it's kind of hard to show with one hand only, but as you can see on this side, I started bending this tab. You want to get a flathead screwdriver that will fit fully into the crevice. If not, you'll be too far out and you'll actually start bending the plastic instead of prying the entire tab off. So you want to get it all the way in there. Get it all the way in there and then just gently pry, and you'll feel it disengage just like that. And then the other side should just pop right off. You don't need to take the entire bulb assembly out like some other videos. All you need to do is just take the cover off and just pop the bulb off.